Have you ever wanted to get the gorillatag finger painter? Well, there actually is a way. So it's actually way easier than you think. And by the way, it doesn't matter how many subscribers you have. You can set in your application anytime you want. And first, what you want to do is search up something like gorillatag finger painter applications. See, right here. And the first thing that comes up is X, which is just Twitter. They changed it to X. And yeah, it should say gorillatag VR. And then, so yeah, this is the post that gorillatag posted. And you're just going to go on this, where it says apply here. Right? And then you should see this gorillatag creator program. So before you want to click on this form, you're going to read these. An invitation to the exclusive gorillatag gorillatag creator troop Discord server. Brand guidelines for free for all future content. I can't read right now. That month's sponsored segment topic list. So after you read all this stuff, you can just click on this form. I'm not going to click on it because I don't want to actually do it. But then, yeah, you can click on that, and that's how you get the gorillatag finger painter.